Welcome to Eureka Math. I'm Mr. Shankel. I'm going to be helping you today with Module 3, Lesson 11. Let's get started. Our job today is to compare the tables that are given, to compare the texting rate of three people, see which one's the fastest texter, and so forth. So I want to look at a few things here first before I show you how we can definitely find out who's fastest. Take a look here at Michaela. We've got Michaela. If she texts for 3 minutes, she will be able to type out 150 words. And then if I look down here at Maria, if she texts for 3 minutes, she can create 120 words. So Michaela is a little faster than Maria, and we can easily see that based on the information that we have there. But then look at Jenna. When we try to compare to Jenna, Jenna doesn't have a 3-minute texting number, so we can't compare them. That makes it hard for us to see, what can Jenna do? Maybe Jenna's faster, maybe she's slower. I'm not sure. So then, let's look at Jenna. If you see Jenna here, if she texts for 6 minutes, she can do 270 words. And if I look here at Maria, if she texts for 6 minutes, she can do 240 words. So it looks like Jenna is a little faster than Maria. And I already know that Michaela is faster than Maria, but I don't know Jenna and Michaela. I don't know how they compare. So if I look at Michaela, I can see that she's got a 5-word or a 5-minute number here, but Jenna doesn't. She's got a 7-minute number here, but Jenna doesn't. And she's got a 9-minute number here, but Jenna doesn't. We have no way to compare Michaela to Jenna. So that's an issue. We need to use equivalent ratios. We can either use equivalent ratios or value. Let me first show you the equivalent ratios. Is there a number that I could change all of these to so that I could compare them so they're all the same? In other words, can I maybe make all of them a 10 or 11 or 12? Well, I think that 12 is going to be the thing that will work. If you look here, we've got 12 minutes. Maria, if she texts for 12 minutes, she can do 480 words. We don't have that for Jenna yet, but I can change a 6 into a 12 by multiplying by 2. And if I multiply 270 by 2, I get 540. So I know if Jenna types for 12 minutes, she's going to type 540 words. All right, now I can easily compare Jenna to Maria, so that's good. And then look, I can do the same thing here. I can change a 3 into a 12 by multiplying by 4. Oops, let me get a 4 in there. So I can multiply by 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So if Michaela types for 12 minutes, 150 times 4 is 600. And now I've got a 12-minute number for Michaela. So now every one of them is typing for 12 minutes, and I can easily rank them. Michaela's the fastest at 600 words in 12 minutes. Jenna is second fastest at 540 words in 12 minutes. And Maria is the slowest at 480 words in 12 minutes. So that's one way. Make an equivalent ratio where something's the same. Either the minutes are the same, so I can compare words, or I can change the words to be the same so that I can compare minutes. But I need to have something that's similar so I can compare them and rank them. The other thing that I can do is I can take, let me get a different color here for my box. Okay, that'll work. I can take the initial ratio here and make it a value. So let's call this words per minute. If I did words over minutes, 150 divided by 3 is 50. So Michaela, let's make this Michaela, M-I. She can do 50 words per minute. 50 per 1 minute. If I look at Jenna, 90 divided by 2, that's 45. So Jenna can do 45 words. Wow, that was crazy. 45 words in 1 minute. And if I look at Maria here, that was Jenna, that's this one. If I look at Maria, 120 divided by 3, well, that's 40. So Maria, M-A, is 40 words per minute. And now I can easily rank them again. Now see what I did this time. I made all of the amounts of time into 1 minute. And if they all work for 1 minute, then Michaela types the most words. So there's a couple ways to compare them. But we need to make something the same. We have to have something that's the same so we can compare the other part. All right. Let's take a look at another one quickly. The tables below show the comparison of the amount of water to the amount of juice concentrate in grape juice made by 3 different people. Whose juice has the greatest water to juice concentrate ratio, and whose juice would taste the strongest? Well, we need a water to juice ratio. So if we're looking at water to juice, I'm going to make this into a water per juice content ratio. And Laredo here would be a 12 divided by 4. So 12 divided by 4, which is 3 parts water for every 1 part juice. 3 parts water for every 1 part juice. Okay? And then if I check out Franca here, Franca is 10 parts water to 2 parts juice. So Franca is 10 parts water to 2 parts juice, which is 5 water to 1 juice. Okay? So now we can see that Franca's is a little more watered down than Laredo's. And then the last one is Milton. And if I look at Milton, Milton has 8 water to 2 juice. 8 water to 2 juice, which is 4 parts water to 1 part juice content. So the most watered down is Franca. So in this case, Franca is the most watered down, and the one that's going to be the strongest is going to be Laredo. So put the juices in order from the juice containing the most water to the juice containing the least water. Well, the one with the most water is Franca. So Franca's juice would go here. And then the next most amount of water is Milton. And the least amount of water is Laredo. And I can do that just by comparing the water to juice content. There are other ways to do this. It just depends on the ratio that I wanted to set up. But that was a good way to see that. Okay? Well, I hope that helps. Your job is to find those equivalent ratios and make some judgments based on those. I hope that helps. See you again next time.